Hello, my name is Robert Harrison, and this is my submission for EDSE 517, the Module 2 lab in which we're required to review a mainstream assistive technology tool. So for this assignment, I'm choosing to complete option 3, and I'm going to show you all how to use Windows Snipping Tool. We're going to create a screenshot of the entire screen, and I'll also show you options for how to create a screenshot of a specific screen element. So for this video, I'll use the Mason homepage. In order to access the Windows Snipping Tool, first off, you must have a Windows operating system. It comes along with Windows operating system on any Windows computer PC since Microsoft Vista. So you can click on the Start button, and then all you have to do is begin to type Snipping Tool, and it should pop right up for you there in your search bar. And then once you clicked on it, then you have access to the Snipping Tool. So it's a small box so that you can move it around and depending on where you want to move it in order to create your image. I'm going to start by showing you guys there are only 4 options, so it's pretty user-friendly here. And the first 3 are options for selecting a specific part of the screen, and then that 4th option is a full screen snip option. So I'm going to show you guys the first option, which is a freeform snip, and this is for selecting something specific on the screen. And this is where you can freeform and kind of make your own shape. It can be useful for something more artsy or anything you need to kind of cut out on your own. And then for all of the images and these snips and these screenshots, once you've created them, then you have options to either save to the computer, copy to a clipboard, which is very useful if you're going to insert it into a document, or you can email it directly to someone. Then over here are some options, such as options that are in Paint, and you have a pen option with different thicknesses of ink and different colors of ink and different pen tips. There's a highlighter option and an eraser tool as well. So that's the freeform snip if you want to cut out your own kind of image off of your computer screen. And if you want to make a more straight snip, then you can use the rectangular snip option, and this is how that works, and that's more of a clean cut option for you. The final specific screen selection option is the window snip, and for this you can click on a certain window and you can see what's being highlighted. So I'll click on this window and it'll show you my tabs there. So that's can be useful if you have different windows on the same screen and you just want to take a image of one of those. And then the final option we have is the full screen snip, in which it takes the entire screen, so you can see all the way from top to bottom and all that. So that's Windows Snipping Tool in a nutshell. Again, it's pretty straightforward. You guys see that there are a few options for your image, and then there are some editing options after you've created that image. This is a very good tool for trainings, for step-by-step directions, for troubleshooting. I've used it before in order to make documentation of proof when I've submitted assignments, but there's been an issue with a Blackboard or something like that, and so they can be used in any area of business or industry or school in order to kind of prove deadlines and dates and to show submissions if needed. So yeah, I think it's a very useful tool, and I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Thank you very much.